ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಇತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ really bad over there. And for that purpose, I would like to thank the External Affairs, the Ministry of External Affairs, and the embassy over there from the Tehran. And the most thankful, I'm thankful to the Mrs. Dr. Arati Krishnam, the Deputy NRI of the Board of Members over here. She helped us a lot. Firstly I fetched her. I texted her firstly, and then she organized the team which was backing up me, and they helped me a lot for that.
ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ಅಲ್ಲಿನ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಂಬ್ ಬಿದ್ದಾಗ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಿತ್ತು?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ the situation over there was really bad because where I used to live, my hostel over there, there were explosions happening each and every day. And we saw it from our own eyes over there. That was the main reason why we got evacuated. Or else there are many other cities in Iran. There are a lot of cities in Iran. But then we got evacuated from Tehran because there were really bad explosions happening over there. So that was the main reason.
When you reached the India, how was it feeling?
Yeah, it really feels good. It's our homeland over here. Finally, we all are back safe over here. There were no casualties from the Indian people. All are safe, and there are more yet to come to the. It was January 2024, my first year, and then I came back for my first year's vacation, and then I went back on October 7th or 8th, I guess. Yeah, they all were panic. It was a serious condition over there because we saw explosions happening, and the media itself shows the explosions happening over there. So that was the main reason why we got evacuated from there. Or else there are many other cities where there. But thanks to the government of Karnataka as well, because when we landed yesterday last night, the government of Karnataka, there's a Karnataka Raj Bhavan, the Karnataka Bhavan is there. So they took us back there. We were resting for around 2 to 3 hours. Then they dropped us back to the Delhi airport at Terminal 1, and then we came back. My name is Nadeem Hussain.
ಅವರು ಸರ್ ನಾನು ತಹರಾನ್ ಹತ್ರ MBBS ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ 3 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ವೀಕ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಇಂದು ವಾರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಹೈಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಜಾದ ಮಿಸೈಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಬಾಂಬ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಂಬಸಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ, ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ಸರ್. ಬಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಜರ್ನಿ. We had to face a lot of hardships all together as students, and as a medical professional we got a lot of experience about it, and there was no doubt that we did not learn anything from this thing. And I would also like to make a point about what was the psychological toll that we had to go through because all of the missiles and the bombs in the skies. But overall, thanks to our Indian embassy, we came to the place where we call our home. And Jai Karnataka, Jai Bharat.
ನೀವು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ನ ಎದುರಿಸಿದ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಅಂದರೆ ಯುದ್ಧ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಅನಾಹುತಗಳಾದವು. ಆಗ ನೀವು ಫುಡ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ?
Everything was all right, everything was good, and we did not face much of issues in that regards. Yes.
ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಾನ್ ಹೋಗಿ?
I'm a third year medical student in Iran University of Medical Science, Tehran.
ಈಗ ಫೈನಲಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಕ್ಕೆ, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಯಾವ್ದು we don't really have enough choice in these regards, but hopefully everything will be all right by the grace of God. Yes.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
My name is Sayyid Sohan Mehdi. Yes.
My name is Sayyada Mufarriz Zainab. I am a final year medical student in Tehran University of Medical Sciences, Tehran. Today I am emotional here standing before you. First of all, I would like to thank and express my heartfelt gratitude to Indian government and Iranian government for the coordination and the efforts they put to bring us back here. I would like to special thank our local MLA Shri Puttaswamy Gowda for showing the concern in our difficult times. I would also like to thank the Alipurian community in UAE and Iran, especially Hakim Sahib and Mannan Sahib. As we all know that India has always been helping its citizens for their better living. Like in the past years, we have seen Indians being evacuated from Iran, Kuwait, and also the present government has also successfully evacuated Ukrainians. Today, I have experienced the same thing with the same care and commitment firsthand. And also, I would like to thank Iranian government also for exclusively opening the airports for Indians. And I would like to thank the Karnataka government, the local police, and everyone here present who have always been helping and praying for us. I also thank Anjumani Jafriya for always being concerned about us. And also, I would like to say some words to Indian Embassy members that thank you for standing beside us. Thank you for not disappointing us. Thank you for the love, the care, the commitment, and everything. Jai Hind.
How was the situation because of missiles and bombs are blasting in Iran? So you are also...
I live in Tehran and the situation there is worst. Like it's been 7 days, like we are not able to sleep. I could literally see the missiles, drones and fighter jets flying over my head. My eyes still can't believe that I'm standing next to you because there was a point I felt I won't be able to meet my family, but today I am thankful for Indian Embassy for all the efforts they put, and I am standing in front of you all.
Your family was also panicked so much because they have...
Yeah, because in Iran, the first 2 days we had internet, but the rest of the days the internet was cut off. So we were not able to communicate with our families. We had to put the Indian currency, we had to call them in a particular time only for once or twice in 1 or 2 days. So it was difficult.
How was the food and
facilities also?
When the Indian Embassy, the first thing I did was called Indian Embassy, and I'm very thankful that the hotels, the food and everything was so mesmerizing and good that I didn't feel that I am not in my home. I could literally see Indian people helping me and I felt the feeling of home.
your good name?
Sayyada Mufarre.
ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಳೆಯವ್ರನ್ನಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಹಾನ್ ಅಲಿ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಗುರು ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅವರೂ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳು ಹೋಗಿ 4 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು. MBBS ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು. ಈಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಭಯ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಐತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟಿಂದ, ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟಿಂದ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಅವರು ಭಾಳ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂತವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಊರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪುಟ್ಟಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಗೌಡ್ರು, ನಮ್ಮ ಶಿವಶಂಕರ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ MLA ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಅವರು
ಯುದ್ಧದ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗಳು ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ
ಅವ್ರೇನೆಂದರೆ, ಅವರು 3 ಗಂಟೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದ ಬಂತು. ಅವರು 3 ಗಂಟೆ ರಾತ್ರಿಗೆ ನಮಾಜಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಅವರು ಆವಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟಷ್ಟು ಅವರು ಕಿಟಕಿ ತೆಗೆದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅವನು ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ದೂರ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, 3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ದೂರ ಒಂದು ಪಟಾಕಿ ಹೊಡೆದಂಗೆ ಶಬ್ದ ಬಂತು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು, ಮೆಸೇಜ್ಗಳು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಹಿಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತ. ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಏನು ಭಯ ಬಿಡಬೇಡ, ನಾವು ಏನು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಲೆಟ್ರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು, ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಲೆಟ್ರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ನಮ್ಮ
ಯಾವ ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ?
ಅಲಿಪುರ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಹರಾನ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಇರಾನ್ನಾಗೆ.
ಈಗ ಅಂತಿಮವಾಗಿ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ?
ನಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ನಾವು ಈ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಇನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರನ್ನೇ ಇರಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೂರಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಸೇರ್ತಾರಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
10 ಜನ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ಮೀರ್ ರೋಷನ್ ಅಲಿ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗಳು ಸೈಯದ ಮುಫರ್ರೆ ಜೈನಬ್. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಇವರು ಹಳೆಯವರು ಇಲ್ಹಾನ್ ಅಲಿ.